automatically, one kasankasano, while shooting him in the foot, you need to leave your office. I'm pleading with the government. This man has to be sacked. He needs to even resign and face trial because the All African Games, when they came out to speak, they did not just speak out of pain. They actually stated facts. In fact, they stated fact. I can say, when you went to meet Parliament, you people at the leadership front, you could not even state the inconsistencies in it. This guy needs to be sacked. He needs to resign. Akwatia, the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, on the 1st of September 2025, Afie Wumi, President Bekoho, na President Onkoho so okoye campaign. President Eko akubie the new DVLA Akwatia office. Anything a President Mahama eba the Akwatia area ho. Into on the 1st and the 29th. On the 1st is going to be coming Monday the enemy. John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic, Obeba Akwatia, Abe Commission, the new DVLA, NDC, Abayran, and see, almost see, I can't be clean. The computers, Abe Gum, I'ma say DVLA, and the Akwatia, that's your license, Abe for computer, Emanyoma, Ekon, Wano, Udua, on Sabeka. Into Monday, the President, Akwatia for entry the name Obeba, DVLA boss, Mr. Julius Nikwe Kote. Also Ebe Hobi, and also a Minister of Transport, Honorable Joseph Bukari, also President Nebeba. On Monday, Obia entering the President of the Republic, Obeba Akwatia. Well, President Mahama Baya Unsheda, this is the time to go see the President. Oshakutia Fobo, now Obedi Sabon so President Mahama, and Yadu Becha Akwatia Jada. John Mahama, Nipebia, so Shawba, also Ujitum, Onyankopon Afa the Sword Ghana, and me assure Akwatia Eden Akumaso. Akwatia baby a John Mahama sebio waya politics che odum se saa kuro no saa Akwatia man no Akwatia nkasa e man no ne amu ahemfo ne emu nkwara eda na koma so John Mahama ne NDC for ebeye adepa ama Akwatia ebobi o masha Akwatia man bia John Mahama bedi so ende obaye bosome nwotwenie pe John Mahama ba bebie DVLA muno dan obebia no e de ama Akwatia fo nti munyina mumbotwi na munya den munko hia John Mahama na sebio openyini de oyepenyinipa na sebio odini kura na no asem no sebio munkutam na munhu say John Mahama is the hope oka asem kirewa wonim say obedi so ne boss ene Professor Ivan Satamilsa oye onyame nipa onyame esen onyame suro wonimu a odi bedi Ghana so ene na odi atete John Mahama ontwantro onkasem enda ada nipa ontesa Bawumia enti John Mahama beba Akwatia Mpenifo enkwara mmebunu nurse fo mo amopesa mo senior high school mo amoko free SHS mo amutumi to aba sebio enye campaign no obeye DVLA office no obe commission into so hu John Mahama na so person hu na Akwatia Monday John Mahama be wo ho obehu Akwatia obehu John Mahama e wa Akwatia na oso ni di de insawoso in the John Dramani Mahama the president no on the DVLA boss any transport minister no omu nyina be wa Akwatia Monday Akwatia man mu nyina mu mbutwe na mu konkohia John Mahama o wasam de edemamo mo amu ni sini John Mahama tie one de ohyebo a odiso we Monday and the bekoso e wa Akwatia Mr. P yedwum. All right, now there's this story I want us to talk about, and it's got to do with journalists. Ghana Journalists Association for Akasa, Omo President Akasimbi. Now the GJ Omakasa almost say if the GRMA General Secretary Dr. David Tinkran Chum Ayatela Nina Ninisa Petuono fails to retract his statement, we will not hesitate from going to court to pursue legal action against him. We Albert Kwabena Jumfo, GJA president, and GJA president Akasa, or say GRNMA for general secretary Okasa Jimimu your friend David Tinkran Chum. And yenina aseme kosi Orange Hospital ma papa we your friend no Tinkran ne nisa petuoba ekotena radio so there threatening journalists in Ghana say ono ne nurse for no ombebo journalists for mpanie omo be ku journalists for Ghana until they should market. He actually threatened in some for Ghana. This is a guy who basically sat on TV and radio to threaten every single journalist in Ghana. Say, a seminar bana journalists will be criticize it, scrutinize it, shall be a seminar also kosi near yet to me fame waba near the Bogana Hobino. Or tonight radio so can say, on any nurse for the be up journalists for the be at war. Now Mbaba Tomo Hospital, I'm a bomb on Paniakuomo. And a GJ for say a seminar okay no on train sign and yes sir omobeko court. What I want to tell the GJ is simple. He is not supposed to retract. He is supposed to resign. Because somewhere you don't feel capacity no one, he will still influence some young nurses to kill some journalists. So to stop the genocide he is planning, no? Because from what we heard and from what he said, you know, he is planning a genocide. Or agribi what the team so opeso kuni pebi. For it not to even happen, no, the GJ is supposed to tell the association is part of that he is supposed to resign. Retraction will not change the intentions in his head. Because aggression and when near say send you know TV so I can't summon. For all you know, no, we didn't gather young nurses be ignorant. Ebi omo national service. Ebi omo they are easily convinced. We didn't po edin kan catch nurse for be say eduro we eduboni. Say who say na journalist bi aba na say who say when no TV so da when no Facebook da and what is so yedwuma radio we bia frɛ me mema wo de sa eduro we abon the pan no. So I don't agree with the GJA saying he should retract. No. I want the GJA to insist that he is sacked or he resigns. Because all here any aggression on the cast asem na.
But and the woman so a casa me say Macondem several occasions. Say we shouldn't also tackle it in that manner. And it shouldn't be. They are marking them. Those journalists we have marked them. They will come and meet us at the hospitals. After they are marking them. Those journalists we have marked them. They will come and meet us at the hospitals. After you, I'm serious about. Why are you saying that? They are marking them. Those journalists we have marked them. They will come and meet us at the hospitals.
One can say marking them or see you marking them. And remember, when these young nurses almost start here, Juma, no more year a year national service or hospitals are, they will do anything to be given retention or to be given permanent their appointment. Ain't he? What this man said, you know, your young nurses, you know, who are vulnerable, no, sa Akwatia, your friend, David Tinkrano, for all you know, he has already put together a poison. A drubio obekuni pebi are overusing these young nurses who are hungry to be given permanent positions. And it is not just him retracting, because when he retracts, the intentions are still there. He needs to be taken away from the avenue that will give him the opportunity to commit that crime. And DJ boss, they were 4 years to send me so much show. None enquire be chill on the board like at in the Kuwatwachini. Sometime now you're late. So it is not about these idiots retracting. It is about you insisting that the GRNMA or whatever they call themselves, you know, this guy, not only any access to nurses, only any access. Because remember, Ridge Hospital, some way see, you know, this guy was able to infiltrate on Yejimo Ridge Hospital. He was able to infiltrate to even force the nurse to lie. Now, send you a nurse or a national service nurse, meaning this guy can convince any young nurse to kill somebody. Oshe neni se petuo any adrebonia woni trim any bonia ashana kume mumba. He is not done committing a crime, and until he kills a journalist, this guy will never stop. Because you see, the crime he wants to commit, you know, it is not going to be him holding a syringe or whatever you call it to inject somebody. He is going to use a young nurse who is ignorant to kill a journalist until you don't even give him the room to be lingering around hospitals, health facilities, or carrying himself around as a general secretary of such an association. That position needs to be taken away from him. He needs to resign. He needs to be kicked out. He needs to be sacked like a fool. And this is a man opportunity crowd to come close to that association. So I will tell the GJA that this route they are taking is weak. Yes, it is a weak route. The Ghana Journalists Association should write to the association which he belongs to and tell them, say, they want this guy to leave the association because he's a threat to every journalist who goes to any hospital in Ghana. Do you understand? Because President of GJA, Ebia who issue statement way, mo kasa asem way no. Ebia wo do. Ebia why say Sunday we be hospital bi. Ebia why say Monday we be hospital bi. Ebia unim udua akra we betumi aka kire nurse ni bi say GJ president about the amumbo pani nkuno because on a lead journalist no emo my den omo expose me. Inti for you not to be killed or murdered by this guy, you need to insist that association they sack this guy. Inti I feel say where you people are going, the weak part you are say you should retract. Retracting does not mean the intentions are gone. He can just come and sit on TV and say, I've retracted. But intentions, no. But how can you take the intentions out of his head? It is only by preventing him, by stripping him off, by taking him away from that capacity that will enable him to get access to poison to kill a journalist. And I think you people should come again. You should write a letter to that association and tell the association to sack this guy. Because no journalist in Ghana is safe in Ghana. No human being in Ghana is safe. As far as this guy is still the general secretary of this association of young nurses who are desperate to get permanency at different hospitals, as far as this guy has influence on young nurses, this guy can kill. He's a potential murderer from the statement he made. A potential murderer. Inti GJ president. So 1% go for beju ofuna. Obaje so akan wie wa for nwedi akwa we obetuma finance ni biso ekum into you people some person protect journalists from Ghana any Ghana for you need to write to the Ghana whatever midwifery and tell them from next week this guy is not supposed to represent them. They need to sack him. Thank you. We'll come back to this matter now. And the health minister make his statement to be a very important statement. And say about 7,000 previously unpaid nurses have now been enrolled onto the payroll and are receiving their monthly salaries. Now, while efforts are ongoing to migrate the remaining nurses, Health Minister say, "A nurse for another dankweku for the Bawumia buying." Yeah, a nurse for. Last minute nurse for about 13,000 da. Bawumia moka say oma form juma abro man for man to payroll so right after elections NDC winning power na nurse for no agitate omo demonstration no. Health Minister Mr. Kando say emu 7,000 sesia no ye de to payroll so. Sesia no bosumi Acheampong no ye etu omo ka bosumi. Osi omo amaka no aban edi wudwuma se ombema omo so nyina so e de akogu payroll so a bosumi bia betu omo ka enti mess na eye Bawumia mu jato ho no the NDC as a government they are solving the mess and mameka bibi nche Ghana for hwe we are still in the ditch as a nation. The debt and the damage Akufo-Addo ye no it will take us some time as a nation and NDC as a government to get the country out of it completely. And so Biagirian say they are going to frustrate the government. They are going to pressurize the government to do things at their pace. Then you, that person, you don't understand what governance is. You know, in the last 8 months, namu baby Ghana ye situation war. Under Akufo-Addo, under Bawumia, under Nketiah, under Bryan Acheampong, you people saw your situation baby a war. And this is not a situation of one room. A nation that was run down by a group of criminals. So I was a journalist to say me. So I was say, why do you do? We are Ghana ni ebi a unko school crab. Why do you do? Now unim senior ya chechire mine. So we a parent to say me. Now we even how to manage a home with maybe 3 kids or 2 kids, yourself and your wife. Now we senior how to put it together. Now so obia beje a country ya messing it up to the core. I was so we see bia obekasa. Their Mahama and NDC cry till now no. They have done too well for anybody to sit on TV or on radio to criticize the government. Their Mahama NDC aban we aye. Baby omo time ye free e bedru ye. Baby omo time dollar ni free ye. Baby omo time inflation free ye. Baby omo time deficit when it comes to infrastructure free ye. Baby omo time corruption. Baby omo time the baby omo time crony free ye. The way the country was messed up. Baby omo time petrol boy free ye. Now we should be and we are basically in heaven. And it's a journalist and that's how you Ghana nibi. Now we have opportunity to speak about governance. Now I junior will say, Uber to me run the country down or the government down because things are not done the way you want her. Nketiah will say, yeah, the Ghana will say manage 2 seconds. You go mad. You cannot even manage your own home within 1 year to make things set up. Moi, I'm wanted to criticize your Mahama buying. Baby, I end this time Ghana free. Say, ya wo, and I will fear Uja to ho 8 years. And I Uja call say, O Kotina Kurobi Swaba. Now, Obedu Nasa Ufia Danny de send your Kufa Muja Ufia na. Over to me the 8 months at Adani Kurobi do. But this man has never complained about anything. His appointees, his ministers, they have never stood on any platform to say Ghana for where the and this in the MPP in the area, and they have never complained. They have solved problems and they keep solving problems. It is how to say journalist and I say Nipebiti radio so can I buy way 8 months. Now because one can you don't understand governance. Before you criticize this government and say 8 months about you know, step back, take a step back, go back and go look at the digits, go look at the data, go look at where we were, and then compare to today and do the calculation and ask yourself what these people have done. They have done magic. What the governor of Bank of Ghana, what that guy has done, he has done magic. What the finance minister, at first he doesn't like me, but I don't care. What the finance minister has done, he has done magic. When you go to the cocoa sector, we are expecting about $4 billion by the end of the year. They have done magic. This is a country that was run down into the ditch, deep down. It means when I hear people make those statements, I don't want to say either you don't understand governance or you are just trying to be diabolic or you just need attention. That's how I see it. Because say maybe ana Ghana jina unim the desperation na eda Ghana so unim yesika samsen na asay unim sibia na nyoma enkoye. We were all witnesses to the damage these people did. And to person which me say sa damage na kufu adom ye no 8 months we no damage ni nyina nyira. Sa the backlog of nurses over about 50,000 or omuja omugu fie 70,000 na omuja omugu fie no. Mo person which say 8 months no I was so nurse for nyina nya adwuma. Mo person which me say sa Akwatia de kufu adom jaye e ka omuja to ho no. Just 8 months, I was a calling in Mete said TUC for say they are going on strike. Why? I was a bino, your debt levels. The question here is the NDC government bar bemuno, a casen of their account. Nothing. But a car can you use 8 months to solve those account? And we are talking about in Peniformo Yankwara, into Mumian Jay sa diabolic, basically childish kind of a argument, you know. Because those kind of arguments, you know, it will not change the course of the government. The government is delivering. The government is working. Me answer make criticize you, Obino. Me didn't can share what the person inherited. And whatever you inherited, if you have been able to correct or done even 50% of it, I don't have any room to criticize you. And I'm looking at this government. I'm looking back 8 months. Baby Anna Ghana Yawano, this government has done about 90% of the job. So I'll be very unwise and stupid to sit here and tell Ghana for say, hey, 8 months ago, I didn't think John Mahama and solve a Ghana problem. These people took over 8 years to destroy Ghana. And I'm not cutting a slack for the government. Saying abaning ye bibi and Kamaka say, okay, abaning ye she. But the government, as we speak today, for about 2 years they are doing some more Ghana. And hardly do you hear say Obi Kasem like to doom. This government, no matter what, Fango Boya Ding, they are still keeping the fuel price down. So it is not where these people left it. The only way you can assess this government and say this government is doing poor is when you take the numbers the government before MPP Jan Ohono. If the numbers they left today, the NDC is not able to bring the numbers down, then you can tell me this government is performing poor in 8 months. Because the government will be told $17 cities, not dollar no, and then I'm 11. You can't tell me this government is not performing. So I buy way beto petrol 15. Now say the petrol no 15. Now I buy way to me limiting about 4 miles. You can't tell me the government is not delivering. So I buy way beto of anko kwine. Now obedru no a kwine no contractor and to me international yejuma. Now the contractor so yejuma. You can't tell me the government is not delivering. So I buy way buy now you over 20,000 to 15,000 young people sitting at home. Now and there you police assistants bet 15,000. Your fire service assistant bet 5,000. Now nkora we nyina enye adwuma o ka chem say aban we enye adwuma na obodam because aban no be ye 100,000 napko adwuma no nipa ba kumpo ni onye adwuma ye. So I am looking at the past numbers comparing to today's numbers and then I made make a misstatements. It's what this guy is doing at the health ministry, he is basically working and it applies to the government as a whole. Jimmy, your propaganda. You don't understand basic governance. In his answer on TV, so I criticize John Mahama Bino. Ask yourself, at the end of John Mahama Bino, beto ya West in there. Tell me. All right, so Mummy and Kosi and show. Now, there's another thing we should talk about. I know maybe we and okay. Now GBC Mukai GBC boss GBC boss na imbrebi no see yendu mimi TV no na eya ne ya say me Kevin Taylor menya TV station wo Ghana mo kai papa we ono na the Director General Ghana Broadcasting Corporation papa we and omo mo yedwuma GBC so ekromfo papa no senia otonton GBC fo asase omma aban empam no papa we ono na mo kai tama na ekufo ado woso ose oko srem and on any imam we are sorry and imam say I am going to watch Kevin Taylor and also on Tiasia no busa imam say Kevin Taylor is only on the internet. How did he get on TV? And imam can say wait me Kevin Taylor is in every home. Also one thing one say oko Accra and oko frɛ MPP ni penyini and obusa say how did Kevin Taylor get on TV and how can we shut his TV down? This man and the abetoja GBC workers in say if this man doesn't go, GBC will break down. It is true. This man, over the years, or the GBC, we all know say he has been very corrupt. We don't even want to talk about the African Games now. Eba say omu Jisika in the name of GBC Sikebi Akwatia. So now we don't know where the money even went. He has not even answered those questions. Right now, I don't even know why the government is still waiting for GBC to go to that point where it will break down totally. Because as we speak, there's nothing interesting about GTV. GBC, as we speak, has become a wasteful venture. Under this guy's leadership, GBC has become a laughing stock. And the Oko social media, people laugh at GBC because the leadership by this guy, any leadership almost say GBC, or they are politics. So the GBC workers are out now and they are making their point clear that this guy who leads us, this guy is not capable of doing the job. This guy is a politician. This guy is selling GBC land. Why are we even still allowing this guy to be heading GBC? Because he is not the only person who can be the director of GBC. This is what he said when he got the opportunity to speak about Ghana, but he decided to speak about me, this criminal. And yes, on free GBC as the director, or say unko adentra because he knows what he has done.
But it should have been more. We have had really a free regime for the past 30 years. It is my view that for us to go into the next, you can control it. But direct to home television is from satellite to home. So you can control DTT 100%. With direct to home, but it will hit the home of everybody who has the set. Both DTT and DTH, you are watching a direct-to-home channel, will go for direct digital. This conversation matters. About 2 years ago, up in Tamale, after the evening prayers, I engaged the imam in the chat. Then all of a sudden he told me that, oh, it's time for Kevin Taylor. I'm running home. I said, you have Kevin Taylor on your TV? He said, yes. At that time, I could only access Kevin Taylor on the internet. I didn't know that DTH, Kevin Taylor, was entering Ghanaian homes. I went home, scanned my TV, and there it was, free to my house. I came back to Accra, scanned, it was there. And I remember sending a text message and a screenshot to a very important regulator. All he said was, wow. They commissioned the NCA to find a way to stop Kevin Taylor. They tracked him down. Kevin Taylor went to Nigeria and got a satellite company whose footprint covers Ghana, and currently he's broadcasting to Ghana. So, nowhere, you can't get him. If you get him in Nigeria, he will move to Senegal. Because there are satellites that whose footprints covers Ghana. These are issues that...
This idiot, Ojina National Television, so can say, they commissioned the NCA to shut me down. As someone kind of is serious. This guy said he placed the call to somebody who matters in Ghana when it comes to TV. He placed the call to Asla Owusu that time. This guy, being the director of GBC, you know, he picked his phone and called Asla and told Asla, how did I get into Ghanaian homes? How did I get on TV? And after he had a conversation with Asla, they instructed the NCA to shut me down. This fool. Today, yeah, Pamana also unko. And the GBC air kontokwa. The workers at GBC are saying, say, what on GBC as say? Now you see, the workers came out, they had a press conference, and they stated exactly why they think this man should not lead GBC. Now, when they answer, he has become so weak-minded and so corrupt, he could not address the allegation the workers of GBC omurezi. Oh, the leadership, no, one of them, no, he is a journalist, also divisional union chairman, Sam Net Kevo, hasn't filed any story in 5 years. You see his defense? Instead of him to respond to GBC in Sasia, in Kofonika, so what Tonwedi, almost answers. He doesn't want to respond or see, oh, Nipana only did demonstration with GBC or a worker, no, or a GBC worker. It's been 5 years on file a report. No, on file a report, I don't know, Pamono. Are you now telling us after 5 years that this person hasn't filed a report? So it means you yourself, you are not even the right person to be the Director General of GBC. Because you know that some people at GBC are not doing their job. But you have foolishly stayed with that person for over 5 years doing your politics. Now that the person is questioning you, you are telling us to say for 5 years the person hasn't filed a report. If the person hasn't filed a report and you know the person has been taking salary without delivering, why have you been keeping the person there? You are not supposed to be there for over 24 hours. You are a foolish man. Answer. And they actually asked him so many questions that he has refused to answer.
With all this, will be such, and anyone of would have. GBC land has been one of the issues that started with the Director General. Across the country, Tamale, workers went to work. They came back, their bungalow were earmarked for eviction. Before you could say Jack, our DG went there, he said he has no knowledge about it. But before you could say Jack, now when you go to Tamale, that place is a channel more. As to how they proceed, evaluation of that land, it is in the what? Secrecy. It is opaque administration that we have in here. You go to Kumasi Edum, land. Bone land that he said was going to do with payment of retirees and serving staff LSA. Brothers and sisters, union have been demanding how much is the proceed of that Pone land. We will only be told 50% of that money has been paid. 50% of what? We will not be getting any information on that. And we are warning that Pone land, we will go into it. Now, when he appeared at the Public Account Committee, the same question was asked about Pone land. On June 3rd, that we had a meeting with a standing joint meeting with management. All we were told that 50% of the proceeds has been paid, and that's why they paid the retirees. You went to Parliament House at the Public Account Committee. He now says that they are now in the process of what? Negotiation. When they ask how much is involved. But at our boardroom, you said 50% has been paid. Something that you are in the process of negotiation. Or you are not finished with the negotiation. How do you know that 50% of what? Chaboy! This is what GBC has become. GBC is a crime scene. And we need to uncover all those things. Now, judging from all this, so far as the appointing authority, especially NMC, is playing undue delay of these things, which the workers of GBC are declaring Professor Amin as persona non grata. Choboy! Hey. Choboy! Hey. Henceforth, we're going to engage in series of industrial actions. The intimidation, if you take one person, we'll go ahead to do it. What matters most is the issue at stake. There's no constitutional mandate that you need certain number of people to raise particular allegation before you meet the threshold to be looked into.
So you see, these guys raised very important questions. Instead of this guy to answer those questions, he's saying that, oh, the guy who was asking the questions, 5 years now, he has not filed any report. Do I care? Do I care whether he has filed a report or not? There are people there who are supposed to check that. And you are the boss. It means you automatically, one kasano, while shooting in the foot, you need to leave your office. So I am pleading with the government. This man has to be sacked. He needs to even resign and face trial because the All African Games and who jani be senator. So I side with the GBC workers. When they came out to speak, they did not just speak out of pain. They actually stated facts. In fact, they stated fact. I can say Moko in front of the parliamentary what's the name? Piak, right? When you went to meet Parliament, you people at the leadership front, you could not even state, and yet the inconsistencies in how you are managing GBC funds. And this guy needs to be sacked. He needs to resign. And you see, today GBC, I say, Acheampong biti Germany, Sebio, what was our Chiadan Sabuada or running Facebook page. Today they have given the whole GBC Facebook to a radical rascal fool, be some idiot who is basically fooling on GBC social media. This is GBC. You don't turn it into a comedy channel. Anything associated with GBC, it should be seen as a national issue. It should be seen as a serious thing. Because as Ghana, we are expecting GBC to give us that news. So and the coup is Ghana. Can't get this MPP. I will say GBC the chair say a true and I say true. For us to even hand over GBC, and right now the world is being run by social media. For to run GBC social media like Acheampong be a wabuda baby, it shows to say the whole structure is a mess. The whole structure is a mess. The system is so bad. If it is a private entity that somebody is handling their social media platform and fooling, I understand. It's okay. But this is GBC. People go to school to go get PhD to get to work at GBC. You cannot just give GBC social media handle to a fool. No. Because one small mistake, GBC, the information to Abontina, it to me go crow. And we sit there and we think this is funny. And sometimes, even events that is happening in Ghana, GBC cannot cover it. Now, and under the leadership of this idiot, we sit there and we keep on watching this. After this guy is sacked, you need to go after the government. You need to sack Graphic Communications. The person who is in charge of Graphic Communications. That person too is very weak-minded. Graphic Communications. You people need to do some serious overhauling at Graphic Communications. Almost no Nketiah some of go your politics. They are doing partisan politics. Our Graphic Communications, all their platforms. I don't care which party is in power, but we need to see our national newspapers, national media houses speak and become so neutral to the point where nobody can sit anywhere else and malign a national their media house. But today, people don't even respect GBC. Graphic Communication has become like PMP. Nketiah some and the Uber national delis. Na Uber front page. Nketiah caption me at the front page. Ubu say into when we almost school now, almost school now, Jessica Graphic Communications and I said GBC no. You ask yourself that question. So I know for Daily Graphic now share the wedding, the English, even the front page, the kind of stories they place on the front page. Ghanaian Times, the kind of political propaganda stories they place on the front page. The stupidity that we have allowed some people to basically turn our national asset into their private thing and their party thing. It's so stupid. So this guy needs to be sacked. We are all shareholders of GBC, Graphic Communications, and whatever that belongs to the government. We are all shareholders, and we have the right to speak when we see things are not going well. GBC, they need serious overhauling. And I'm going to stay on this matter until I see the president take action on it. I'm going to stay on this matter until I see Graphic Communications, the head and the leadership of Graphic Communications, serious resetting is done there. Because they are doing this country a very big disservice. They are not running a private entity. They are running a national entity. They are running the GBC is like running Jubilee House. And yet, so now a whole media house. Now omuti Facebook. Yeah, they are coming kwasiebi and our church on kwasasemo Facebook. And the seriousness that is attached to GBC, no, it is gone. You cannot just hand over BBC, Facebook platform or channel to a fool to be thinking that everything should be about comedy. No. Because they know the amount of people who consume information from there. If you wanted to run a comedy platform, we would have run a comedy platform. This is comedy platform. But this is serious business. This is business. It's a national asset we all have to respect, and everything that comes from there should be authentic and respectable. Mr. President, GBC needs overhauling. GBC needs serious resetting. This guy is bad news. He has been involved in a lot of misconduct, a lot of corruption issues. He needs to go. The workers are not happy with him. Sack this guy. Thank you. Now, tell me one thing. John Mahama buying the beto ya. John Mahama buying asenu. Because hey, where can these MPP hanke? Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. We all see what the government is doing. The IGP, the government itself, how today they are fighting Galamsey. It's not an easy fight, but at least you could see there's the willingness to do that. There is the willingness. Government no will so be so at least Emma Arishim to say Abambi Baya, the party officials, a sector minister, it will release this statement, a whole report. My president say, Jubilee House no, Omonomoya Galamsey no, and no crown here and see over such a say, Enda Bayaba, the police, the government is on the ground trying to fight this menace. You want to tell me, say, the government is not doing well? Where Jimmy? So look back. Me per one person or Ghana back say me better TV so, and they could find Bawumia 8 years no. Adebia John Mahama beto ye no. Sa ade with the John Mahama nya ade kura 8 months. No one can them na me debate. What are you going to talk about? When it's got to do with the forex, and I say dollar, where are we? We are doing better. When it comes to employment, we are doing better. Today, see, let me show you. Come. Mama Chabo. Na mwa jimi do mumubino. Today, how many people? 5,000 young men. They are now becoming what? Assistant fire officers. Enrechi, Nipa, almost 12,000. Omo ya day, ya de police assistant. Almost 17 to 20,000. There are more to be given opportunities. We are talking about a government today, the land minister, and the Watro Akomadian, Amabua. He is the acting environment minister, Ama Kofibua. Rights to Attorney General for immediate revocation of LI 2462. And the Abaine say, Sam Brana Kufuado, Ebietu ho, na Galamsey, 4 more MPP mu edi your forest no, and the minister now or acting as environment minister no, or the Attorney General say, or per se, you stop it mining in our forests. Inti actually when Jimmy no Babetna TV so I catch me say aban we die what to aban no ho actually we are journalist or we are diplomat or we are statesman or actually we Jimmy actually we nim governance. This is what governance is. They are overturning every nonsense. So today a minister has written the Attorney General, nobody, you better stop it, nobody should enter any forest to go mine. What I want to work say, and I John Mahama bano, omunya shedie na nka nye. What should the government do? Into me, so I got some graded government where they have done about 80%. Ejuma John Mahama ban we are 8 months no. NPP are buying to me a say Juma we be anke. I'm telling you, the way they have even paid attention to the fight against Galamsey. Sanka NPP are buying edit 10% of what John Mahama more attention mu pay to Galamsey to stop it. Anka ye ni hanne, I'm telling you. Enti me penipo ba kuma betra TV so aka say adia John Mahama Bawumia mo eja to ho a na say negative no John Mahama be worse me pe adia ba ko pe. Modwa adentina modwa me mamu common sense ye dwudwam It is simple. Ain't the answer na baba betina TV so. Answer na baba betina radio so. Aka say aban we your money 8 months. No what tell me adia na ewo hwa na aban we say sa ade we na enye aban na be west. Tell me one thing. Oboso omu bi omano kan ai John Mahama aban ne ka say oba obetu kokoo mu na sibia watum no wada de kuafo John Mahama ba oti kokoo so. John Mahama ba power no. So ka so betu kokoo mu international price na mo change statement no ka say eye baga me no ka say John Mahama wati kokoo so. So e dey na John Mahama betu ya wa in the west. Senka John Mahama ba ye e na betu kokoo price e na ko te so a ka say John Mahama te so. But as we speak, what is John Mahama be to so and so endorse? John Mahama feel already 8 months. And it is John Mahama the 128 at Toswa. Then a chess in the next year, John Mahama on for 2,000 and so. So you cannot sit there and make that argument. Say, I buy way share bo. John Mahama bought share in 4 years bo. If he's going to move cocoa bag to $10,000 a bagger, 4 years within 4 years, and he can decide to spread it within 4 years. He can also decide to do it within a year. Until you cannot tell me, say, the first window, yadama cocoa price, no, John Mahama, was a cocoa for bo, anyway, so, Jimmy, won't the echo. That is why I'm telling you, say, there are so many people sitting on TV and radio making arguments, say, I buy way 8 months there, and then you don't even understand what you are doing. Now, one thing, what can I say? Because before you make this statement, you need to ask yourself, you're Pamo MPP because of something. And this by no Saudi and Oma in the West ana. That is the only way you can judge this government. And me pade ba ko betum dia judge NDC aban aka say they have done worse than MPP. Show me one thing. So Mumienja is a childish kind of journalism. Any I'm an expert in this. Ni na politics. I am not mema Ghana for one say bibia a rosary. No. These people have inherited a very difficult country, a very bad economy. But these people are doing crazy stuff. They are changing things every single day. They are actually changing things. Abai is over-delivering. This government is over-delivering. Me who so be able to TV so criticize aban we it may be an anaka say na bibi wo ha aban ba ko no ya na enye John Mahama mo buy no o man west me who so be an anaka and so sorry and aban we nya hwe no dey na aban we ya na enye chin ba ko no kan dey ba ko kire me. So before you go on TV and start to talk about this government, let your listeners know, and now you as an expert, first of all, let the listeners understand, say me ba be cheche nyo be mu akire mo time na ekufo adom wo ho no na dollar no ewo 2 and John Mahama dey about 10 and it na omanya dey 8 months time na John Mahama mu fra it na nipa ti because okay you are making sense now you are making sense but you don't have any standard because the standard that is there no John Mahama at the end of the day Southwest performance no John Mahama ndru ho John Mahama is still doing better. So if John Mahama is doing better, NDC is doing better, how can you sit and say 8 months NDC is not delivering? Now I'm sure idea. Momenja NF Ghana for Sa uni bibia kan men kasa. Sa uni bibia kan don't speak. It is not forced for you to speak on politics. It is not forced for you to let people think, say you have an opinion on everything. Me, there are so many things going on in Ghana. Ebo ha deliberately me trim ho, me yim ho frim, me nka ho asem. Obi tim ka say, "Oh Kevin, asem we buy. I didn't know one kebi because ejuma me yen minimum ejuma me yen no. If I can't have basis for my argument, I will not do it. I will not even speak." And in some way to me see Ghana, Obi say, "Kevin, this is current issue. Everybody is discussing." I'm like, I'm not going to talk about it. I sit with my team because you know something. When it comes to speaking on issues, governance, you let it sit. You allow it to simmer. You listen and then you start to analyze. No, you need to know, you need to have a reason for being part of the conversation. There should be a reason. Until somebody may prove your chairman say, "Aban we buy no. Aban na etwa mu ne ye adie bia na ye papa cha aban we aye west. Free SHS and the say when it comes to feeding of students in school, adia aban we ye NPP aban they destroy free SHS and the over to catch them say and the free SHS no MPP dey never touch no. You can tell me that. So how can you tell me say this government is not delivering? Abanwe can say omo ube school government tertiary institutions biano free tuition first year. Abanwe shebo, Abanwe is in power. So far, Abanwe is delivering. So how can you just sit on TV, on radio, or anywhere and tell me Abanwe 8 months? Abanwe has over-delivered in 8 months. If we sit to do critical analysis, comparative analysis of this government's performance and the government that it inherited, you can see the gap. There is a big gap between Abanwe and the MPP Abano. We need to understand. Say conversation ba asamedahwa. We need to take a step back. Enya bibia de di hunkomo. Enya bibia ne can be. Enya bibia na wo idea wo ho. Enya bibia na wo smart wo ho. Enya bibia na wo betumaka say we de unko anwadwene no. There are some things if you know you cannot analyze it analytically. You cannot basically make clear-cut sense. Sit back. It does not say you are not intelligent. You avoiding a conversation does not mean say unimunyansa. You avoiding a particular conversation, you staying away from a particular conversation, you making sure you don't take part in some particular topic or a particular conversation does not make you stupid. It shows how intelligent and smart you are. Because what you do is now you sit back and analyze before you speak.